Aloha guys, Scuba Chris on location. I just want to point out the camera that you all see me using. This is the L Cove Pro 4K Cine. This is not a GoPro. I actually think this camera is a little bit better than a GoPro. And the new unit, this year's unit, is on the verge of coming out, and I use this on a headband, and I use a face shield to try to keep the sun off of me. But what I want to show you today, I haven't done it in a long time, is LineDancer. Now, before I show the picture of what LineDancer is, you got small, medium, large. So I'm going to be using the medium, which is the red. I'm going to be combining it with my Cedros C30 SST rod. This is 9 feet. This is a salmon spin. The correct way of loading this up, because I met a friend of mine, Scott, who just happened to fish the same areas the other day, and he came up with the 3 units, and he asked me, how do I put it on the user? And I showed him, and on the 3rd cast, he hooked up with a decent Bluefin Trevally. So it does work. He was shocked, but it does work. All right, so we're gonna get this. We're gonna put this on your rod. You want the bottom part here, the U shape, to be straddled on the bottom. All right, so it's heavy duty wire that's coated, so it can bend to whatever size you want. So basically what you want to do is just get your line, okay, get your line, loop it so it goes in. Now I haven't done this in a while, because when I first started, I was more nighttime whipping. Now I'm doing dunking and everything else. So as you can see, right, that's all you have to do. You cast out your line, do that, and bring it in. And what happens is that it sends an undulation through the line. It goes, it's like da 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 da. You're gonna actually feel it when you're reeling it back in. So it's gonna, that undulation, that vibration will attract other fish. All right, it's proven, it works. It works a lot for the freshwater guys, but for saltwater guys here, I've used it during the full moon, and it does work. All right, just wanted to show you how it looks again, because it's been a while. Thanks. I bet you Barracuda, because bro, the Barracudas have been around a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, he didn't like the net.
No.
Okay. Oh, if shake his head, most likely then. Let's see if I can get. Yep. Yeah. Bring. Yeah.
Nope. Not ready yet.
You know what?
I gotta go.
Why don't you walk behind me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just walk straight back, and then I can hit him.
Okay.
Let me. Okay. Just walk behind.
Yeah.
Got him.
Right.
Looks like what, about £1.5, £1.25, something like that.
Legal size?
Oh yeah, because the legal size is 10 inches.
10
That's
inches.
what, about 12, just eyeballing it.
Yeah. Oh, sweet, man. Hey, this thing worked.
Yeah, no, it does. Trust me, it does.
Yeah, man. Oh.
Yeah, LineDancer.
Not even 3 casts.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of proof already, yeah?
Yeah.
He kind of pissed off. I can hear him grunting.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank
All
you
right.
for helping me, man.
No problem. Hey, what's your first name?
Scott.
Scott. All right, thanks, Scott.
Yeah, no, thank you. Thank you.